So, no resolution, and certainly no vindication. And there are very few people who know what it's like to be convicted over and over again by Italian courts. But Raffaele Sollecito does know. He's Amanda's former boyfriend, and he was wrongfully convicted and jailed right alongside her all of those years ago. He's also the author of Honor Bound, My Journey to Hell and Back with Amanda Knox. He joins me now for his first interview since today's decision. Raffaele, welcome back to the program. It's nice to see you again. If our viewers remember, you were on the program. Yeah, I mean, it feels like yesterday, but it was back in October when you joined me because the court announced it was going to try Amanda again. And I remember you saying these words: you were delighted and you were glad because you believed that the slander conviction would be overturned. So what's your reaction to the decision today?
Yeah, I'm disappointed too, actually. But after a second thought, I'm starting to feel like the court of Florence has something against us, because each time we went, and I went also in the court of Florence to ask for compensation for my time in jail. That was, that was
the wrongful conviction.
The wrongful conviction. They actually denied it, and each time we went into that court, everything went bad, and I mean, I'm starting to think like that at the end.
Well,
that any time you just appeal there, everything goes wrong.
So that leads me to my next question, and that is: do you think that the court really believes that Amanda had an intention to defame? I think his name was Patrick Lumumba, or do you think this is payback, that the court just wanted to punish in any way it could, and so this was the only way it could?
I think that the court wanted to punish her or me or whatever in this case, because they really believe she is guilty. That's the thing, that's what I think, and I believe.
Do you think they think that she's guilty of slander, or do you think they think she's guilty of both slander and murder, but that she got away with it? Is that what you think the court believes?
Yeah, because the Court of Florence they decided for the second appeal that we had, and we were convicted of murder and slander. Her of slander, of course, so upon it. So they really sentenced that so in the past, and it was overturned in the Supreme Court. But they never have any other position than being certain that we were responsible.
Can you talk to me a little bit about that 53-hour interrogation? Because Amanda, talked about police. We've got our own stories here in the United States of interrogations that have been just, wholesale psychological torture at times. But Amanda says that they promised her things. They talked her into saying things in those 53 hours. I know in your book, Honor Bound, you talked about that they tried repeatedly to get you to say that you weren't with Amanda, and that they promised you could go. As soon as you said that, you could go. Tell me some other things about that interrogation that you were both in.
Actually, that interrogation is completely illegal, and that's the point of all the story in this verdict. Because actually, whatever she said, I mean, false confessions, there is a big literature on them in the end. And we were actually taken for more than 15 years in the police station. There are no records, no taping, nothing, just a summaries written by the detectives. And they could say whatever they wanted in the end. And that's the reason why in every single hearing and in every single judgment in this case, our interrogation was considered illegal and could not be taken seriously as the proof of evidence. That's, and I'm really surprised at the end of this journey, because also the European Court sentenced Italy because they didn't respect our rights during the interrogation. Also in Italy as well, there was another verdict that because the detectives, they tried to they tried to bring Amanda into trial because of slander from her toward the policeman, because she repeatedly told that she was hit on the back, on the chin, when she was interrogated, and they tried to also to bring her into the courtroom, but they failed. And in another courtroom, the judge also said that actually the detectives, they were the ones that failed Amanda and failed her
Well,
rights.
I
So
will
I'm
be, I will
really
be
surprised with this verdict in the end.
Yeah, I am too, and I will be fascinated to find out what happens, on appeal. But I'm so thankful, Raffaele, that you would speak with us again. I'll let our viewers know again. Your book is called Honor Bound: My Journey to Hell and Back with Amanda Knox. Thank you so much, Raffaele. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.